deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back. So this is your girl heading out. So I'm going to see my baby girl. She guess who my baby girl is. You find out soon. My way. Don't want to miss my train. Keep you updated.
Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanted to die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a CapCut. Man, he's everything to me, everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me the reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
In this life, whatever you do, make sure you don't have a friend like this girl. She has made me stand here in this cold weather for almost half an hour. An annoying girl. See my boots. I've not missed you. Go. Get away.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a garden. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
get me?
What you need is just an offering. It's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall.
Hi loves, my child is sucking me.
Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner.
Guys, I'm back home. I'm back. Leave. I catch you guys later. I love you.